Hello.
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 Sorry.
We are waiting for the other link. It was a problem. It was an old link from our old meeting. So it was just another meeting.
Okay.
But I've seen that you wrote and we switched it here. So we could wait a minute. I sent a link to our colleagues. Just wait a little bit.
Okay, sure. No problem. Do you guys have the Cloudberry hat? Yeah, I have one.
Hat, but some of our guys, Nikolai and Andrei, doesn't because they do not receive the package yet. So just need time to get the stuff. They are not in Moscow. Nikolai is Kazakhstan. Andrei it's Siberia, maybe.
I am from Kirov. It's about 1,000 kilometers from Moscow.
Okay. Sorry, I also have one.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay, let's start. We have an agenda. Let's start discussing from the start. Okay, the first our section is highlights of what happened in REPA last month. I see that we have merged some big pull requests. The first one was movable database locals. It was from me.
Okay, hold on. Leonard, could you share your screen?
Sorry, share what?
Your screen. I can share your desktop.
Okay. Screen. Okay, screen. Share screen. Okay, I see. I see. Sorry, it needs some. Okay. We have merged the some pairs. The first one, 15, 18. It was Rocky 8 workflow support matrix. So we now have Rocky 8 support. I personally do not know what Rocky 8 means. It for me it sounds like RPM-based distributive. Maybe it's more widely used outside Russia. So usually in Russia we use Ubuntu. So Rocky 8. Okay. The next one, we add release support under macOS, and our scripts will be adjusted to use macOS, and we could release our code not only using Linux system, also using macOS system. And the last one in my list is support movable database locals. It feature from our installation. We have a clients who who created the database installations in old Ubuntu, and they need to upgrade to a new Ubuntu, and new Ubuntu have new libc, and new libc have a new order of symbols, and it's a problem. And the movable database locals address that problem and needed to upgrade such installations. Maybe it's a local problem because some guys solve it using collation. They create database using collation, and in that situation everything works okay. But if you didn't create your database using custom collation, you would have a problem in upgrade because of different symbol orders. Okay, kernel upgrade. As I see, Kirill is not with us. Kirill participated in that project of upgrading, and he is almost done the whole process of upgrading from 14.4 to 14.5. There is only one remaining part of upgrading, and we will have 14.5 as 14.5 Postgres as a kernel of our current main repo. We could discuss it if you want to. Well, there was a discussion about the process of upgrading to the new Postgres 16 kernel, and we get to the conclusion in a list that we just exclude those commits. I mean, upgrading a kernel of Postgres 14 from rebasing to Postgres 16 somehow, and it helps us to move further in upgrade process, and maybe the upgrade to the Postgres 16 will happen this year. I believe it happened this year, but of course I'm not sure. It will be great if it happens. I don't know. Could we somehow help of upgrade process or not? Do you have any ideas how to help upgrading process? Okay, sorry. No, well, is already participating in those processes, so just maybe no helping them, just do the work, and all you do is just helping merging and helping reviewing. Okay, disk quota. Disk quota is on the way.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I can.
Could you share? Yes.
Okay, I can share some details on this feature. Now, this PR is ready for merging, but you know this PR included more than 100 commits in one PR, so we cannot merge this PR via the GitHub UI GUI. So we need to merge this PR by the command line, GitHub command line. I will operate it later today to merge this PR into the main branch. Yeah.
Okay. So are you going to merge it for today?
Yeah, but I just tried recently. I have some conflict into the main branch. I need to fix it, but I will try later today. Yeah, hope we can finish this week.
Okay, it will be great. So, are you going to cherry pick it to the second release or not?
I think we can include this feature in the next release, not in the 2.1 release.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and according to release 2.1, when are you going to create it?
We will have one release module later. We can talk about it in more details later in the in the document.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I will share more details for the release later.
Okay. So you should find. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the ecosystem and extensions. Cloudberry PXF. We have a lot of updates. I think Nikolai could share with us his thoughts and what's going on.
Okay, I think that half of this list we discussed last time. And yeah, what we have in pipeline, currently we have PR from Mr. Raindrop with parallel FDV for Cloudberry PXF. You can see code. I asked our colleagues to take a look as well. And for Cloudberry PXF itself, I think that it's kind of modernized a bit, expecting all new PRs like Java 17 support. Probably we will bump version of TAMP because GitHub security notification complains about it. In fact, it's not possible to exploit all these vulnerabilities, but it's what our security team don't like. We have old Tomcats. We will bump these versions and we will test it extensively on users. We are releasing it. And this is what will happen next couple months.
Well, according to the upgrading Apache Evro, Org, and Parquet, where are you going to get? I mean, to which version do you want to upgrade?
We already upgraded it in Cloudberry PXF branch. Latest versions that supports Java 8. We backported it to our Greenplum PXF, and we will slowly release it to our users to check that nothing will be broken. There is not a lot of new features here, I expect.
Okay. The second one question is renaming Java packages from org Greenplum to org Apache Cloudberry.
Yeah, I can share the details here. I did this work. I just for the Apache compliance, I renamed the Java package's name from the org.greenplum to org Apache .Cloudberry. So just for the I think it's one part of the branding work. Yeah, it has been done and pushed to the main branch.
Well, does it mean that all code using PXF should be recompiled or renamed?
I
Okay, I
think
will answer. Users will need to change their config files and replace Cloudberry with Greenplum with Cloudberry if they used it in their configs. But in most cases, it will work just as a drop-in replacement.
Well, so it will be changing, breaking changing. So maybe it should come with the next one release. I mean, we cannot rename it in release 2. Maybe we should rename it in third release, not
I
release
think we
2.
don't have a second release yet.
Yes, but we don't have release 3. Yes, we have only.
Jinjan is preparing release 2.1. I think it will be first real release and release. I'm not expecting any issues here.
Okay, подожди. Let's say I have a second question. Do we have a support PXF or not? I mean, if 2.1 is the first release, when we get a support of PXF, at that release we could rename. Because at that situation we do not have users. Officially, we officially do not support PXF, so cannot break something. But after we add support, we cannot rename because we break configs. I mean, we cannot rename without annonces.
We have added this change in changelog, I think, explicitly. I think it's documented. In the same PR we changed. We can find it.
Well, I have a second one, Jinjan. We have time to rename it to the second point, to 2.1 release, or not? Do not have a time.
So. Excuse me, you mean you don't want to ship it in the coming 2.1 release, or any ideas? I would like to include the brink this brink changes in the coming 2.1 release for Cloudberry PXF. Yeah, you know, I want to, in the coming release water mailing list, I want to ship Cloudberry main rep with Cloudberry backup and Cloudberry PXF, these two components to have a vote, so we can in the I know your concern, but we have a CI workflow to make sure these breaking changes are compatible with Cloudberry 2.1 release. Yeah. So we have we don't worry to break the compatible changes between these two projects. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you can say is.
Okay, I see. Okay, I see. So we just rename it in the upcoming 2.1 release of PXF, and everything will be okay. Okay. Well, great. Any helps needed for this, or you just no need to help?
I think it's okay. Yeah, we have.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but yeah, for the PXF, I have one PR. I just list in the following part. I need your guys review help.
Okay.
Yeah.
According to the renaming, do we have other places where we should rename Greenplum to Cloudberry? I mean, maybe in the main repo we have variables named Greenplum, or some catalogs named Greenplum. Should we name them too, or it's just relates to Java only?
I think some branding refresh work has been done. Other than the Java packages rename, also we updated the Go libs URL from Greenplum GitHub Go libs to Apache Cloudberry Go libs. Yeah. I think this also is one big change, yeah, for users, especially for the developers. But you know, when we have a release, we will. I would like to make the binary package for the PXF. So, if you want to, so it's okay for users. They don't need to care about the changes. What happened in the code. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we discussed update Go libs URL to Apache Cloudberry Go libs. So I think it happened. So it just will be in upcoming release. The fourth is update ISF compliance files and RPM dep package files. I mean, it happened in PXF. Am I right? Okay, so it's happened. The first is docs updates. Do you have any news about docs updates, guys?
Yeah, we have a lot. I think when we have did these changes, like the dependency upgrade, we have updated the related documents in the PXF source code. Yeah, we have done that. Just list here for your attention.
Okay, and also we have roadmap discussion. About PXF. Well, we have a new. It's a new discussion started 6 years ago by the Lee Xiu. Maybe Mr. Raindrop is his name on GitHub. So I just ask everyone to participate in the PXF discussion, PXF roadmap discussion, and decide what to do next with PXF. There is a questions from Dinjan about what to do next, and yes, we should decide what we want to do with PXF. Okay, the next one is Cloudberry backup. Well, the first is about remove legacy concourse CI files. Well, maybe it's from Dijan. No.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can share updates on the Cloudberry backup. We did a few updates since the last community meeting, including remove the Concourse CI files. You know, we use the GitHub Actions to as our CI workflow platform, not instead of Concourse anymore, right? So we need to remove the Concourse CI files, but these legacy files can be a reference for our new and refactor CI workflow. Yeah, I try to migrate these CI tests to our new workflow. You can see more details in number 69 PR. Yeah, but I think we cannot migrate all the Concourse tests into our new workflow. But I try to cover more tests. I think the PR is close to be ready. Just need one some errors when running make integration. Yeah, I have asked the help from the Robert Mu, the engineer of Robert Mu, to help fix the errors. After the errors is fixed, I think we can merge the new CI workflow PR into the main branch and go ahead our release process. Yeah. Yeah. Also, I did some updates to support make the binary distribution package in Linux platform. Yeah. So you can just run one simple command make deb or make rpm. Make a package. You can get one Cloudberry backup binary package on your Linux. Yeah. So very.
Are you going to publish binaries in upcoming 2.1 release?
Yes. Just like the Cloudberry PXF, we will have Cloudberry backup 2.1 shipped with Cloudberry 2.1. Yeah.
Okay. We just need to review pull requests. I don't know. We need a big testing workflow or not? Because if you do not want to change Cloudberry backup functionality, so we do not need excessive workflow. So maybe some scenarios we cannot implement right now is not important. So we just could delete them and we could add it in case we will develop Cloudberry backup further. So maybe it's we shouldn't migrate all CI workflows to GitHub Actions. It's okay. Okay, so that is all. Sorry, guys. Do you have any shares, any thoughts, or any news? Let's discuss. Our agenda is empty right now. Well, so okay, we should schedule the next meeting. Well, Dijan, how about the March? Maybe 13th March.
Okay. Hold on. I think we have some topics left. You can go through down the page. We have more topics listed
Okay.
here.
Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Well, I see. Sorry. I've missed it. I refresh it. Okay. Sorry. Let's move. Apache Madlib. So.
Yeah. I have been tracking this work. I think the PR has been ready to add the Cloudberry support in the upstream Apache Madlib project. I try to push the Madlib maintainers to review and merge our pull request. And as you know, Madlib has not been very active recently. Yeah, so I will try to track it later again, but I cannot guarantee some result. Just wait for what happened next. Yeah.
Okay, we're just waiting for. I see that there was an activity in 2025, but not 2026. So just waiting for the approval. Okay, just wait for.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is marketing events. I see the call for papers is open for community overcoder in Glasgow and Lake House Day. So, Nijan, do you have any updates? Maybe some of Chinese team will participate in this conference.
Yeah, if you guys have the opportunity to submit the session, welcome to submit the presentation in the ApacheCon. But I think for Chinese team, we will focus on the community overcode Asia. You know,
Asia.
Yeah, Asia. Yeah. There's no more updates for the community overcode Asia, but it will be organized in Beijing this July or August. If any more updates on the ApacheCon Asia, I will share it in the dev mailing list. Yeah.
Okay, we will wait for it because we have discussed the Glasgow events, and there is a problem with a visa. it's United Kingdom, and it's too hard to get to the United Kingdom from Russia. So it's almost impossible to get there and to organize a trip there. So it's too hard for today. So no chance to visit Glasgow, but we are going to visit Beijing. And wait for the dates of the events, and we have a topics to discuss for us quite interesting. So we will share it since the call for papers will be open.
Okay, so welcome to Beijing. Yeah.
How many papers could we bring to you? I mean, if it will be 4 talks or 5 talks, it will be okay or not?
Well, that's okay. Yeah, when the CFP open for Apache Core Asia, we can talk more in details. Yeah, so that's okay.
Okay. So just waiting for the announcers, and we will prepare our event. And also, I believe we could announce it in LinkedIn and also in local lists like I don't know, on a hub or in local chats, maybe. Well, why not? I think it will be great. Okay, let's go on. Release updates of 2.1 release. We have discussed it already, but okay, Dinjan, your speech about release.
Yeah. Since Ed has no more response to on the release manager, so I will step in to take over the role of release manager for the coming 2.1 release. Now, for the Cloudberry main repo, I think it has been ready for a long time. Now we are working on the Cloudberry PXF and the Cloudberry backup projects to make them ready for the coming release. Yeah, here I list 3 PR. So welcome your guys' review. I think
okay.
Yeah,
Review it. Okay.
Yeah, for the coming release, I think we need to build a new infra for the coming release. So there's no rush to release before we got them done. Yeah, I think if we have built this infra for the release, we will speed up the release process in the future. So I think this work worth our more energy to invest to build the to build. Yeah. So welcome to have your review and feedback on these PRs. I think yeah. I think for the release water email, I can send them in the next week. Yeah.
Okay.
Once these PR are ready. Yeah.
It depends on the pull requests that
Yeah.
should be merged. So, okay.
Mhm.
We will focus on the reviewing this PR, and I will believe helps. We will help you somehow to merge it as soon as possible.
Okay, thanks. Also, I will draft the whole process document in our Cloudberry wiki page. So for the future release manager, we can operate taking this wiki as a reference and more more convinced than before. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes, it's really important because releases should be regular. So we should we should discuss it once again. But I believe after we will launch 2.1 release, we should discuss when we will have 2.2 release, or maybe other branches. Well, it's quite important for users to see that we have regular releases. So
yes.
something happens in the project, and releases also happens. So it's really important. So thank you very much for your work for documenting. So I hope not only you could release Cloudberry. Next time, maybe I volunteer to release 2.2, and we could share our experience.
Yeah, glad to have you involved in the future release. So I think not only for the PPMC member, not only for the committers, we encourage much more volunteer to join in the release work. Yeah.
Yes. It will be great, of course.
I think one point when we upgrade the kernel from 14.4 to 14.20, then we can have a release.
Okay.
Yeah, that may be a good
Next
time.
release. That's the next. Okay. Well, sounds wise. The next milestone is to complete upgrade to 14.20, and then release all the changes, and say that we now have a last modern 14 kernel of Postgres. Well, I refresh once again. Well, so that's all, and our scheduled time is also all. So thank you very much, all guys, for participating and for discussing. Well, see you the next meeting. The next meeting appointment time will be on 13th of March. So I will add the date to the document. Well, and okay, thank you very much, and have a good day.
Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye for now.